Welcome back to the channel, people. Today is an important trade. I'm in a live trade right now. Regardless whether I win or lose, I'm still going to be making a withdrawal request. So 5%ers, I'm putting you on notice.
You owe me money.
So regardless whether I win or lose this trade, we're making a withdrawal request in this video. If you want to support the channel, you know what to do. Okay, so I just switched over to the 5%ers website and logged in. I didn't want to do that while I was recording. You know, there's a lot of scammers out here. So what I've done now is logged into a 5%ers dashboard, and what I noticed that the option to withdraw is not available. And the reason is because I'm in a trade. So we're back on here, and as you can see, price is pushing up. So looks like London session may be in agreement with what's going on the overall trend. We don't know yet. Hopefully it is, and then we get RTP. So once this is concluded, then I'll be able to make the withdrawal.
Nice.
There's a problem with the industry with prop firms. A lot of them are designed to make money from your losses. So I don't really endorse them. I do use them, but I don't promote them. I have promoted, well, I put affiliate link in my videos once or twice. I don't do that as often now because I've learned a little bit more about their business practices, and it's not something I feel comfortable promoting. So you need to be conscious about prop firms and make sure you read all the terms and conditions and make sure that you are aware going in that they are the house essentially. If this is a casino, if trading is the equivalent of gambling, right? They are the house. And as the saying goes, the house always wins. They are in the business to make money, and they can even make money from you losing on demo accounts and, you know, starting again, re-upping, going in again, and so on.
You gotta play to win.
Or if they are actually giving you raw trading accounts, they make money from a profit split. So they're in the business of making money. They are the house and they're here to make money. So the terms and conditions, you should pay attention to them. And one of the terms and conditions for payouts is that you can make a payout withdrawal request after 14 days after passing, right? So as you know, I passed the previous one. This is the second one. And before I go to the next one, I want to make that payout request now, because I know once I pass this stage, I can't make a payout request until an additional 14 days for my valuation one profits. So my valuation one profits is done. This is profits from valuation two. I can actually take some of this now out, which is a good thing with 5%ers. I don't know if the same for everyone, but I know 5%ers, I can take some of this out now. So that's great. And I'm really just hoping that this trade pushes. I'm losing my track of thought. But anyway, so what I'm saying is, I know I could take out some of this money now, and that's what I want to do. So I'll be able to take out everything I made from evaluation part one. And then this second level, I'll be able to take out all the profits I made in this, which is so far 3,500. So that's why I'm going to make a withdrawal request. So I could take out potentially at least $4,000 today. So yeah, stick around for that, and I'll show you the process on doing that. But you need to be conscious of this before you go to the next stage. This is actually advice they gave me because I had an issue with them in the past. I had passed 2 levels. I was going to the next level, got myself in drawdown, and they said, no, you cannot make a withdrawal request now because you are in drawdown. So you need to be in profit, and it has to be 14 days after you have passed. So as soon as that option comes available, you can make the withdrawal request. But if I then pass this stage now, it gets reset. So it has to be an additional 14 days. And I'm not trying to wait another 14 days to take out the profits I made on 2 levels. So that doesn't make any sense to me. And we never know what could happen in level 3. So I'm going to take out some profits a day. So bear in mind and pay attention to terms and conditions. It's all in there. There's a lot of rules that's not on the front page. There are links to take you to things like, I don't think you could hedge certain things and use AI and bots and stuff like this. So there's certain things you need to pay attention to.
Okay.
I just want you guys to be aware of this because this will help you, and you know, that's what I'm trying to do here. If it does help you, you know what to do, support the channel. So we are looking good now. So this candle here was worrying when it came down because of this supply. This small supply shouldn't override what's going on the higher time frame. And what's going on the higher time frame, as you can see, is a bullish trend. So now that it's looking a lot cleaner, we should get 10 pips. These candles here on a lower volume period in the Asian session we're doing about 8 or 9 pips, right? So this one was about 13 pips. This one here was about 7 pips. And this one here was about 9 pips. So for me to get 10 pips in this hour from the London session, that should be easy. And this little price action for the Asian session shouldn't affect it. And on the higher time frame, we've got an uptrend. It's all looking good, basically. It's all looking good. And even if you put all of that to the side, what we're doing here, or what I am doing here, is trading based on what I back tested. And what I back tested is when I get this breaking structure, go for 10 pips, okay? Using this pair, I back tested it on this pair, and that's what I'm working with. 10 pips, I could get 10 pips on this. Sometimes I go for less, depends on how I'm feeling. I may just go for a 1-to-1, and that 1-to-1, depending on my entry, could be about 8 pips. So I think that would have been 8 pips today as well. So let's have a look. So from here, so 8.6 pips. That's my 1-to-1. I think I'm sitting at 1-to-1 already. No, shy of 1-to-1. I'm at 7.6, so 8.6 pips is here. I could go for 1-to-1 easily, but I'm going for 10 pips because I want it to finish just shy of where the profit target is. So we are sitting on 4.842. I could end it here. I could just take this profit and then wait for tomorrow, or even a small fluctuation in price, get a quick movement with using some size and take it out. I could do that, but I'm going to be professional. I'm going to wait for my 10 pips as I back tested. I should be able to get that, and there's no real reason to stop. If anything, I should be adding to my position if I wanted to, because it's come to this supply zone, which is the main concern. It pulled down into this demand zone that it reversed from, and it's pushed back up, and as you can see, it's pushing up, and there's no reason for it to stop. There's no news catalyst until 4 p.m, so I don't expect price to start acting erratic. It can still hold here. It can still hold it and drop dramatically, a big candle. But again, I am trading what I have back tested, and that's why I'm so confident. I am confident that this should work out, and if it doesn't, I just have to be patient until the next setup arrives. Let's see, I am getting impatient.
Emotional!
Because I do want to because regardless of how this ends, I'm still in a good position. I've got $160 or $180 left to do on this account. I do really want to wrap up this video and show you guys the profit withdrawal. I'm not too sure whether, do we wait for the additional 1 pip or 2? Or what are we looking at? Yeah, it's about 2 pips. We're going to wait because this should easily do 10 pips. We're going to wait. Yeah, we're just going to have to sit tight, people, and just wait it out.
A few moments later.
So price is moving now again. It looks like we may get it in this push here. If not, this push will be the next 5-minute candle. Why I believe this, again, there's stop losses here. That's where I would have placed my stop loss. If I got into this trade here, tried to trade this here, down, my stop loss would be right there. So there's stop losses there. So I still believe that this is going to get TP. It's only 10 pips. The stop loss is there. Clear reversal. We're in trend with the higher time frame. I mean, I just don't know what more to tell you.
What more do you want from me?
Like, this should work out. So we just have to be patient, and hopefully, if not this candle, it'll be the next push to get our TP. If this is sticking around here until for another 40 minutes, I'm out of here.
Bruh.
I'm just gonna take what I'm taking, because the next candle, next H1 candle, could just push this all the way down and take it further. This should, within this H1 candle, hit TP, and that's what I'm expecting. And if it's not doing that, I may need to reconsider my position, and that's it. Okay, so this candle here should be the one, right? It's looking very good. It's looking very strong. It makes no sense for it to delay. Go and get those stop losses. Go and get those stop losses. Trading with the trend is difficult. It's difficult, and I'll tell you this. A lot of these fake gurus who trade supply and demand, they talk about trading with the trend a lot, and it's hard to know which trend you should be trading with. Are you trading the 5-minute trend, what's going on the previous session? Are you trading the new trend that's starting here, what's just reverse? Are you trading on the higher time frame H1 trend? What are you trading on? And unfortunately, a lot of them can't provide these answers because they're not actually trading.
Ain't been doing an education.
Kanye, calm down.
You don't have the answers though.
So be careful with what you're consuming. Seriously, I've been talking to a lot of people in my comments. There's been one trader that's stuck out, one name that keeps on popping up. I've been listening to his talks, he's watching his video, watching how he trades, consuming some of the good stuff. His name is Trader Tom. So if you guys are looking for some information from someone who actually trades, whether it's a demo account or not, I don't know, but he actually live streams every day and he trades. He's got different setups, he's got different routines and rules, and he's a professional. You can see it in the way he trades. So if you guys need some trading advice, go to someone who actually has knowledge, someone who's actually trading, not on a demo account. I am not trading on a demo account. As far as I'm aware, 5% has told me that this is a real account and I'm trading it. It could be a demo account. I don't care. As long as they pay me. But the point being that I'm making is I have trade history here. I can show you all my trades and you're going to see it on my dashboard. So it correlates. You can see clearly that I'm not just finding beautiful setups, taking a beautiful setup and pretending with fake emotion.
Oh shit. Whoa.
Yes, you fucking can.
That whether it's wins or loses and so on, and go through all the drama. This is raw trading. This is today's, I don't know, what is this? The 26th of February, Euro USD. So you could check the price action 2025, check the price action. You can see that this is what's actually happening right now. And this is a real trade. So we're almost at TP, people. I mean, I was hoping with that little rant I made, I was going to get TP. Where are we? I'm less than a pip away. So we should get TP. I want it to be exactly where it is on the dollar amount. So when I go over to my dashboard, I mean, I'm $80 now, $40, $60 away from finishing. I want it to be $7 away, okay? Because when I go to my dashboard, I want to make the withdrawal for the whole amount and have only $7 to achieve to hit my profit target. And that's all I want. So perfect day is what I'm looking for. And it's what I deserve. I have been so disciplined this week. I've taken 3 trades, 1 on Monday, 2 on Tuesday. Okay, I lacked discipline on Tuesday a little bit, 2 on the Tuesday. And today this should be 1, and this will be my second one because I closed the first one and go into this. So this will be my second one, but this will be the last trade of this trading session, and we should have TP now. Conclude, hurry up, perfect. So there's TP, very happy. As you can see, the account is sitting $7 or less than $7 away from the profit target. I am switching over now to my dashboard and I am going to make my profit withdrawal request right now. Okay, so quickly, as you can see here on the terms and conditions, specifications they call it, first payout 14 days after receiving a funded account and every 2 weeks after that. Yeah, okay, so another 14 days, okay, cool. The 14-day payout cycle will reset every time you have a new account scaled. So as soon as you pass the account, a 14-day reset will occur, and that means you have to wait another 14 days basically. So let's switch over to account. As you can see now, the withdrawal button is available. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna should I do that?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Wait for it.
So what I'm gonna do now actually is make the profit withdrawal request now, yes. And then after that, we're gonna go back to MT5 and we're gonna get that remaining $7 to conclude this, because I'm gonna conclude it today. There's no point in waiting around. I don't need to wait for a perfect trade. I just need to conclude it. So it's asking for some sensitive information here. So I'm gonna switch this off, come back and show you guys. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just conclude this. I am going to sell this quickly, get my quick $7 and be done. Pushing up, but I'm selling it. Why? Because I believe it's going down. And my 10 pips, pushing down, breaking structure. Actually, let's be patient. Just wait for this candle to turn. If it does, we're going to sell it quickly for a quick $7. All right, we're selling it. Quickly, want $7. This is not the way to conclude an account. It's just, I know it's very small amount. Any fluctuation, I should get what I want and I should be able to get out. If it starts pushing against me, that's fine. I'm out as well. There we go. $10. Okay, quickly. All right, there we go. I'm out. Finish. So this account should be concluded now. So there we go, confirmation. You can see the withdrawal button's gone now because I made a withdrawal. I couldn't show you all of that. It's just too much personal detail. I just don't want everyone to have access to my account details. So profit target is now been hit. This is $4,000. I made it with a little bit more, 35 cents. And that was the last trade. As you can see, I just made $7. That's all I had to do. Made the $7, not sticking around. And that's it. This account is done. So I should get an email soon from 5% confirming this.
Nice.
Check and make sure everything's correct. I have a 81% win rate for this account. It's nice. It's all good. It looked quite steady at the end, but it was difficult in the beginning. I've learned a lot from this, and I'm going to be focusing on just trying to keep this a lot cleaner. I took over 100 trades. I don't want to do that again. Should have taken a lot less. It should be around the ranges of 20 or 40. But I was experimenting with one or two different things, and I just decided now I'm just going to keep it very simple for the next stage. So I should get an 80K account, and for that I'm just going to be very simple and try to stay focused on what I'm doing. So if you want to see how I progress, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, if you find it useful, hit the like button. I'll keep on getting examples and videos out to you guys. This is Patrick signing out. Until next time, peace.